easel.
You know how sometimes something might look really cool, but in practicality, it might be really difficult to use? You don't want your interfaces to be difficult to use. So in this module, we're going to talk about 3 ways that you can design and implement effective interfaces for the web, mobile, or almost any other digital use case. The first one is about designing simply. First, anticipate what your user is going to need at each phase of their experience, and give people the information that they need only when they need it. Also, make the parts of the interface that do different things, make them look different. All right. Second, you want to make things readable. You want to make your font sizes relatively large. Also, signal the function of something like a button early on in the text of the button, because often research shows that people just want to differentiate between the buttons, so they don't actually read the text all the way right away. Also, use contrast to your advantage. So signal through things like contrast that this is the button that you want people to click. Also, make larger objects associated with the more important function of the interface that you're designing, like a landing page. Finally, make it familiar. Use metaphors whenever possible, things like written or visual metaphors that help people get a sense of what you're asking them to do really easily. Also, use imagery that will be familiar with your audience already. So in summary, use customer knowledge to anticipate the information that they're going to want at each stage of their experience. And then make action signals readable by using larger fonts and using color and size to signal importance. Finally, make the experience's actions and messages that you're displaying to them more familiar by using metaphors and images that this audience is already going to be familiar with.